This is Davos 7, and today it looks like markets are collapsing around the globe. And we can see gold and silver kind of escaping this. They are the ones exploding in the midst of this. And this is all tied into Donald Trump showing up in Davos and him wheeling out these tariffs on everyone, left and right, and the markets have reacted big time. Some of the headlines here saying everything is crashing as Trump arrives in Davos. You have the Japan market that is in meltdown. The bond market itself is in meltdown. We've been watching these things because everything is lining up for a global economic reset, which is definitely going to affect the U.S. and the U.S. dollar and the U.S. economy. But it looks like this whole plan is to have them all kind of go like dominoes, where the whole thing resets. And when it does, it's going to be onto a new digital type of system. That's the whole reason for the move. We've been waiting for this for some time. A reason, a catalyst to push the markets over the edge. You've got JGB imploding, gold soaring, everything getting crushed in the markets. Everyone tied in with 401k. And again, another headline here saying that U.S. stocks tumble as the Trump tariff threat against Europe and its allies sparks renewed interest in trade war fears. So, a bloodbath out there is what the other headlines are saying. There's no winners in trade wars. The IMF warning of a stock market crash through and through, across the board, stemming from this Greenland thing. Really Trump's actions of thinking he can just go in and do whatever he wants, and everyone else is not having this. Well, they can fight back and respond with their markets, and they are. Again, this seems to be in order of a larger reset. One thing's for sure, with gold and silver tearing, it's signaling that something huge is going down. And when you look at the odds here, the ratio between gold and silver, if you were to shrink the volume down a little bit more from where it's at now, let's say down to 35 to 1, gold to silver ratio, that would put silver itself closer to $131 an ounce. They foresee silver easily clipping $200 by the end of 2027, if not way higher. That's a double your money right there in a year's time. But the repercussions, as we can see and we know, are going to be economic woes. Remember, you have Trump that was brought in, he's on record saying that he was brought here to bring about a reset. The whole Mar-a-Lago Accord is designed for that. He has a new guy he's going to put in for the Fed in May. All that's going to go into motion. So anything from here on out is going to be heavily tied into that. And as long as he's using tariffs as a weapon out here, this sets up like a trade war type of atmosphere and potential real war when he's threatening to use the military on places like Greenland. So the market's really feeling it. You can see here. I'll leave links below. Make your moves while you can. Join me for the live streams going live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern, right here on Dabu 77. Much love.